Okay, I'm doing a walk along Salters Road, which is a lovely little back road, about 2-minute walk from my house. And what I love about this place is that it has a mixed vegetation, lots of trees, different kinds. If I walk all the way down, I will eventually connect to Sandy Lane Golf Course entrance. No noise in here, very peaceful. This is what makes Barbados special. It's one of the few islands that has hardwood trees. Now the sign on this gate of the house says Mahogany Rise. So I'm wondering if those are mahogany trees. I read that somewhere the British used to use mahogany to build their furniture and boats. And later when the trees were becoming depleted, everything was replanted, and now trees are protected in Barbados. And there's a grand mansion back in there. Notice the barbed wire on top of their gate, on top of their fence. Look how tall this grass is. Look at this, it's at least 20 feet high. It's beautiful with the last rays of the sun peeking through. So now we are entering the exclusive neighborhood of Sandy Lane. And I am walking along Mahogany Road towards the entrance of the Sandy Lane Golf Course. Look at the gardens. Tennis courts coming up. A bit too hot. It'll be busy after 5 o'clock when it's set, the sun starts setting. Here's a lovely fountain at the entrance. Reminds me of the fountains in Italy, in Rome. So it's in the middle of a roundabout. Pretty impressive. As I understand it, it's possible to take a walk along the public road here. People do their long walks here just to get some exercise. Okay, I'm standing in front of a clubhouse, and then beyond you can see all the greens. This looks like a putting area. And golf carts lined up in the far distance, so maybe that's where you tee off. This is a lovely fan palm. They're not very common. I've seen some in Curacao. They just spread out like a fan. Can you see that? The tall leaves, tall spines, and then it starts fanning out. They're pretty spectacular flowers. Not much fragrance on it, but look at the stamen on it. That goes from underneath the road up to street level. So they can take their golf courts underneath the road to the other side. Here we are at the other side now, street side, and beyond the fence across the street is where the hotel. A lot of people going to work, coming from work. Hello. There's the gated hotel entrance. And you can see Sandy Lane is huge. It spans both sides of the highway with fencing. The entrance is all beautifully tiled. And down at the end there is the roundabout where I showed you the fountain. Sandy Lane Golf Club. Here's one of the orange reggae buses. It's a lot of fun. So now I'm walking back towards medical center, just inside Holetown there. And so far I've done almost a 3-kilometer walk. So a nice leisurely tour of the neighborhood.